Hi, I'm Missy Heff with Haynes Heff Properties. I am in the perfect location. To the north, we have Mukilteo. To the south, we have Edmonds, both beautiful beach towns. And I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you need to buy this house. Come on in. Reason number 5 to buy this house, 5 real bedrooms. Not that bedroom off the front entrance with the double doors that you're obviously not putting your toddler in, but 5 actual bedrooms, and they're huge. Reason number 4, 4 bathrooms. Well, let me think. We've got a half bath on the main, a half bath on the top floor. That makes 1, carry the 2. Anyways, lots of bathrooms. Reason number 4 to buy this house. Reason number 3 to buy this house. 3 separate living spaces. Dance party on the top floor. Scary movie on the second floor. And curl up with a great book on the main floor. And reason number 2 you need to buy this house. This house has 2 separate laundry hookups. One on the second floor and another in the primary closet on the 3rd floor. How convenient is that? And the number 1 reason you need to buy this house? Well, there's a lot. Look at this gorgeous quartz countertop, beautiful, huge island, wood-wrapped windows, air conditioning, turf yard, very low maintenance, and its location in between 2 beach communities, Edmonds and Mukilteo. So if you're looking for a home that, well, has more than just 5 reasons to buy it, give us a call.